Hey, what if I told you that you can create profitable ads on Bing in 60 seconds with a new AI software that does all the hard work for you? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In fact, it's the easiest and fastest way to get high-converting traffic and leads from Bing without any experience or skills. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can get access to it today. One of the biggest challenges of creating ads on Bing is finding the right keywords, headlines, and descriptions that will attract your target audience and make them click on your offer. That's why the Bing Bang Profits AI software has a unique feature called the AI Ad Suggestion Tool. This tool uses artificial intelligence to analyze your niche and keyword and generate hundreds of proven ad variations that you can use or edit as you wish. You don't have to waste time or money on testing or guessing what works. You just pick the best ones and launch your campaign in minutes. Another challenge of creating ads on Bing is finding the right keywords that will match your offer and your audience's intent. That's why the Bing Bang Profits AI software has another feature called the AI Keyword Suggestion Tool. This tool uses artificial intelligence to find the most relevant and profitable keywords for your niche and keyword. You don't have to spend hours or dollars on keyword research tools or software. You just enter your main keyword and get a list of related keywords that you can use for your campaign. The third challenge of creating ads on Bing is writing engaging and persuasive ad copy that will convince your audience to take action. That's why the Bing Bang Profits AI software has a third feature called the ChatGPT integration. This feature allows you to use the power of ChatGPT, which is a natural language generation platform that can write high-quality content for any topic or purpose. You can use ChatGPT to write landing pages, emails, headlines, descriptions, and more for your campaign. You don't have to hire copywriters or struggle with writing yourself. You just type in your topic and get amazing content in seconds. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the testimonials on the sales page and the case studies from real users who have used the Bing Bang Profits AI system and software to create successful campaigns on Bing. As you can see, they have been able to generate massive traffic, leads, and sales from Bing with minimal effort and investment. And they are not alone. Thousands of people have already joined the Bing Bang Profits AI community and are enjoying the benefits of this amazing system and software. Now, you might be wondering how much this system and software cost and how you can get access to it today. Well, I have some good news and some bad news for you. The good news is that you can get access to the Bing Bang Profits AI system and software today for a very low one-time price. The bad news is that this offer is only available for a limited time and will expire soon. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity and start creating profitable ads on Bing in 60 seconds with this new AI software, you need to act fast and click on the link below this video right now. Don't miss this chance to turn $1 into $10 over and over again with this proven system and software. Click on the link below this video right now and I'll see you inside.